Hi everyone, this is Advitya, and today in this video I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the smartphone Samsung Galaxy M32. So let's get started. The variant I have here is in the color sky blue. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. No wonder it works at lightning speed. So goodbye lads. The phone has 13 megapixel front camera and a 48 megapixel versatile quad camera, meaning you get to click great pictures every single time. Let me quickly click a selfie in portrait mode using this phone. Just open the camera, select portrait and click. Can you see how clear and sharp the image is? Totally Instagram worthy. This phone also comes with a 5000 mAh battery that lasts for hours. Perfect for people like me who use phone all day. Thanks to the 5G feature, you will be future ready with this phone. It also comes with knock security and biometric authentication for that added level of safety. Cool, right? Thanks to the 5G feature, you'll be future ready with this phone.